YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is why you're still skinny fat. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. Before we get started with today's video, smash that like button to help the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more people who want to become athletically built. I really appreciate it. Now, on to the video. If you're not familiar with the term skinny fat, then here's a quick definition. Skinny fat means that you have a low body fat percentage, but you still look out of shape, and you're holding a noticeable amount of fat mainly in your stomach. And this can be super frustrating, especially if you've been hitting the gym for more than 3 months and not seeing any results. But don't worry, I got you. So here's my top 3 reasons why you're still skinny fat. Number 1, you may have poor nutrition habits. When it comes to becoming athletically built, your nutrition has to be on point and dialed in. But what may be happening is that you're not eating the right kinds of foods, which can explain why you still have some belly fat. Or you may not be eating the right amount of food, which means that you're under eating and not seeing any gains. Or your macros may not be set up correctly. And if you're not sure how to set up your macros, watch this video where I explain it in detail. Number 2, you're not training consistently. You may be hitting the gym and getting a good workout, but maybe for only 2 weeks, and then you stop for a month. Or you go to the gym a month straight, and then you stop for 2 weeks. Either way, there's a consistency issue, and becoming athletically built usually takes around 3 months of consistent training, depending on what your body fat percentage is when you start training. And if you're not sure what your body fat percentage is, take a look at this chart that I'm showing on the screen now. Now, obviously, if your body fat percentage is high, it's going to take you a little bit longer than most to reach your goal. But if you're somewhere around 20%, it'll take you usually around 3 months to reach your goal. Number 3, the program that you're using may be too advanced for you. There's levels to this, man. And if you're a complete beginner who's trying to build muscle and you're doing an NFL style workout, then you are destined to fail because your body is not able to handle that type of training stress just yet. So it's best that you start at the ground level and build up to that, mainly so that you don't put yourself in a position to injure yourself, which can keep you out of the gym a lot longer than you want to be. There you have it, guys. My top 3 reasons why you're still skinny fat. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.